Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use the Zepbound pen. Before you begin, always inspect your pen and the medication for any damage or if it has expired. Next, ensure your hands are clean by washing them thoroughly with soap and water. Select an appropriate injection site, such as your abdomen, thigh, or the back of your upper arm. Finally, cleanse the chosen area with an alcohol swab and allow it to air dry completely before proceeding. To administer your dose, first carefully remove the gray base cap, then the inner needle cover. Position the clear base of the pen flat against your skin at the prepared injection site. Firmly press and hold the dose button for approximately 10 seconds. You should hear two distinct clicks. The first indicates the injection has started, and the second confirms the full dose has been delivered. Keep holding until the second click. Once the injection is complete, gently lift the pen straight up and away from your skin. Take a moment to check the dose indicator to confirm that the entire dose was successfully delivered. It's crucial to dispose of the used Zepbound pen immediately in an approved sharps container. Never attempt to recap the needle or reuse the pen, as this can lead to injury or infection. Safety is paramount. For optimal safety and effectiveness, always store your Zepbound pen in the refrigerator, maintaining a temperature between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius. Protect it from direct sunlight and any sources of heat. It is extremely important that you never share your Zepbound pen with another person, even if the needle is changed, to prevent the risk of infection. If you have any questions or concerns, always consult your healthcare provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.